Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing these two very beautiful pieces. Okay, I definitely love it so much. I'm really glad I finally got them. Okay, so it's by Coolrain, CoolABO, and then it's the AstroRABBITT, basically featuring the bunny girl sitting on the bench. And then it comes with two colorways, so I got them both. So let's take a look. Yeah, I'm not sure which is which colorway, so we'll just open it and take a look. Okay, so this artist, he's from Korea. Then if you are not following him, I think they have some collaboration with Pop as well. So if you see, some of the recent blind box release, it's actually, there is some collaboration between Coolrain and also Pop themselves. Okay, so let's start. Okay, it comes with a wooden box. Okay, wow, that's, it makes it looks very premium. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, why not just open the other box as well, and then you can take a look at both of them together. Alright, so there you go. Second case itself. Okay, same thing. It's okay. So I think the spot here basically is indicating whether it's the black or the white version. Okay, so let's take a look at the black one first. Okay, AstroRABBITT, and then with PuPu. Okay, so it's a three-way collaboration. And yeah, it's basically this AstroRABBITT sitting on a luggage. Nice, really nice. Okay, let's take a look at the piece itself. So I guess we need to slide. Now this. Okay. The mid. Okay, so it comes with a card. Okay, Coolrain. Okay, nice illustration. And then so it's an edition of 100, and then this is number 26. Okay, then there you go. So it comes with this cute little penguin mask, and then what is this? Can't remember, is this a scarf or something? Okay, and then the luggage that she sits on, and then you got your Coolrain character. Okay, let's take her out from the plastic first. Okay, so the head is articulated. Okay, take a look at the design on the piece. Okay, you got all the nice decal around her. Okay, very, very beautiful. Okay, wow. Okay, everyone needs a break time. Okay, even the sole is also, the details is there. It's not just a flat sole. So you can see that they really put in a lot of effort in designing the characters. Okay, wow, nice, very beautiful. Okay, so let's take out the luggage and all the other accessories. Then we can see how we can put them on. Okay, so that's the luggage, and you can see it's also very well made. The quality is really good. Okay. I really can't remember what is this. Is this a scarf around her? And then this should be the mask that you can put on to her. Okay, so if you want to display your character like that, you can of course put on the mask, but I prefer it with the bunny girl itself. And then let's see. Yep, I think it's the scarf here that you can put on. So it's magnetic, and then you can put this. Yeah, cool. I think the scarf is because of the penguin design. I think, yeah, something like that. But yeah, very nice piece. I think I will not display with the penguin mask. I'll just put it with the Coolrain itself. I mean the bunny girl itself. Cool. Then okay, let's put back the box. I mean, close the box, and then we can have her sitting on top. Okay, the luggage, and then she sits on top. Wow, very nice, very nice. Okay, later we will lower the camera to take a look at the piece overall, but let's take a look at the white piece as well. So this time, same thing. So let's remove the. Okay, same illustration. Okay, so for the white one, it comes with this transparent mask. Okay, it also has the penguin, you know, design on it, just that it's not painted. And then same thing, you got the scarf. So let's just take them out. Okay, let's leave it here. And take out the luggage. Okay, as you can see, really is well made. You know, all the details on it. Nice. Okay, let's put it here first. Oh, I forgot to see my serial number. Okay, so this is number 48. Oh, so the white one has 200 piece and the black one is only 100 piece. Interesting. Okay, as you can see, the head is a bit wobbly when you take out. It's because it's magnetic, so you can put on a scarf. You just put it here, okay, and then attach the head back. Okay, let's take a look at the details. Okay, so this features a fair skin tone lady, and then you can see the details, the decals on all over her. Wow, very nice, very nice. Okay, even the backpack, you know, it has this very cool design. Then, wow. Okay, and then it has the nice shoes. Okay, and as usual, you see even the sole has different color tone. They even put in effort to just paint the shoes properly. Nice, really beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at her with the mask on. Okay, so the mask is a slight, you know, yellowish tone, and then just attach the mask over like that. Okay. Again, I think I will not display it with the mask. I think I prefer how she looks without it. Yeah. Okay, so we'll put back the mask. We'll have her sit on the luggage. Okay. Okay, it's actually quite weighty, even though it's not super huge, but you know, there is a good weight on it, so you know, it's definitely very, very premium looking. Okay, let's put this back and close the box. Okay, let me just lower the camera so we can all see the good, you know, details on. Let's take a look. Wow. Yeah, overall a very, very beautiful piece. I really love it. You know, especially the bunny girl design. Okay, very nice. And then of course, you know, you can rotate the head if you need to. And yeah, nice. Thank you guys for watching. And if you are still not a subscriber to the channel, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. And if you've got any questions, feel free to leave in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.